So me and Aiden and Emmy come over here, see if we're gonna see if we can catch a little old mess of bass, and we're gonna come see if this water, if they had the pump on and the pump's on, when they filling this thing up, because they water all these crops over here out of it. So you see that right there? We probably gonna stay or sit right here and catch us some fish. It's sure rolling up out of there, Aiden. Huh? Let's see if we can catch one. I'll use this one right here. Or is that the one you gonna use? Or Emmy's gonna use?
I think that's the one Emmy used, but it doesn't matter.
This one? We'll see if Aiden can catch one on the first cast. Oop, thought he had one.
I did.
Huh?
A big bite.
Did you really? Throw it right back in there at him. Nope. And as soon as I quit videoing him, I caught one on my third cast. Right there. Pretty joker. There you go. 3 casts, 1 fish. About as pretty as it gets. Perfect eating size. Alright, so we came over here to the little pond. My second cast. Chunk. A chunk that's about to get off. Look at that big old bucket mouth. That's a little big. I ain't gonna keep her. Big enough. Swim back in there. I don't know how big it is.
That can't. Oh, it is a fish. I was about to say.
Yeah, man, he's fighting some guns. I mean, ooh, that's a big one. Did you see her?
Mm-hmm. If you hold the phone, I'll try to.
Hold on.
Yeah, come here.
You just video. He's not hooked good now. Here he comes.
Well,
Right there. Golly. Look at that, dude.
about 5-6 pounds probably.
Oh no, feel over. Maybe heavier than that. Here, let me get the hooks out of her mouth. I don't know. I think closer to 6. But big, all right. Ease her back in there. I just hate to keep a fish like that, you know. Going again. Get to the bank, get him to the bank. Easy now, easy, easy, easy. Hold on, easy. Get him up here before he breaks it off. He's good, he's good. He's good. Look at that, look at that. Look at that. Oh my gosh, dude. Look at that freaking fish. Holy smokes, here. Dude. Dude.
Can't even hold him up.
Huh? Hold him up so we can see.
Somebody already caught this fish.
Huh?
You got a hole in his lip.
Where? Look at that. Hold her up. Yeah, point her face. That ain't the fish I caught the other day.
Oh! God, so heavy.
Oh, I mean, that is a hammer right there. Hammer. All right, let me take a pic. All right, let's let her go. Turn her around where you're not putting the mud, getting the mud in her gills.
Oh, she's trying to.
Gone.
That's a hoss.
Toad. Get that, Nathan. The swimmer over there to you. That's a good one. Let me get you my pliers. That's a good one. Don't let her. Here, let her go. Put her down.
I'm just flopped way worse than those.
Yeah, that's a big one. Big one, 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 big one. Big one, big one, big one. Big one, big one. Like maybe second biggest of the day. Golly. Dude, what? What in the world? Let me see if I can get the hooks out of her mouth. Dude,
It's a pretty good one.
dude. Look at that. It may be the biggest one. Yeah, look at that sucker's mouth. Here, let me get on this side. Look at that sucker's mouth and eyes. Yeah. All right, turn her loose. All right, so Aiden just caught another big one. I'm gonna take a little break. See if I can video him setting the hook on one. You don't still have that scale? I wish we did.
Get one.
Huh?
Get one.
Yeah, I know. My stuff's way down yonder.
Fish.
Dude, if I don't catch another one, I'm good. I like to catch them old big fish like that. On a baby brush hog, perfect eating size there. Hook right in the top lip, where we like them. Come here, man. Come here, come here, come here, come here, come here. Let's see. That's a good eater there. What do you mean? Big one, ain't it? Right tip. Ah! Look. Look. Rod tip's got to be up. Got to be up. Golly. Aiden said he's lost like 5.
And all been big ones.
Huh?
All been big ones.
All right there in the same spot, huh?
I'm about to get another one.
All right, rod tip up. Good, good. Up. That don't matter. It's a keeper, dude. That sucker will eat good. Heck yeah, baby.
Emmy, come down here.
See if we can catch 2 in a row. Actually, he's caught about 5 in a row. That's the first one he's got to the bank.
Oh.
Huh? Alright, starting to pile up. Ah, we would have doubled up if I would have caught mine, dadgummit. That's a good one. Here, bring him over here. Easy, 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 easy. Good, 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 good. Let me lip him, let me lip him, let me lip him, let me lip him, let me lip him. I don't want him to come off. Lip him.
Oh! Let go, let go, let go.
That's a big one.
I just got a hook in my finger.
Uh-huh. That's a good one. Here, let's get the hooks out of his mouth.
Get 'em out for you. I think I can.
Just going to roll it out of there. Got it? Now the other one's hooked. Don't you love treble hooks? Just don't let it get in that gill plate. Hold her up.
Oh, my finger. It's tired.
That's a good one there. Yeah. What's that? 5?
5 fish?
No, pounds. Hold on.
4.
Let me hold it across the back here so I can show you. Look at it.
Throw her back?
Yep, turn her loose. Go on. All right, see if I can catch this one. He got a little backlash. Did you see that and jump down there? Emmy, what you eating? That good? That's all right. Sucker will eat, baby. Dude, that's literally like 7 or 8 in a row. Literally. Huh?
That's a good one.
Pretty much.
Oh, I got a big one. Oh, I got a big one. Here, video. Video. Oh, I got a big one. Oh, I got a big one. I don't want to get my butt wet when I squirt out in this water. Oh!
Another about 7 pounds, 6 pounds, I'd say.
Golly, man. Look at that fish, dude. I can't stand no more of this. It just don't get no more fun. You hear me? Look, you know what that pose is called? The torpedo pose.
Poor Emmy still ain't caught a fish today.
Here, look, right here. Look at there. Swim off. Crank on him, keep the rod tip up. Keep it up. Keep it up. Here, in the video. You what? Come here, let me see you. Oh, it's a catfish! Hold on, keep videoing. I love it.
I knew it wasn't fighting very good. I knew it wasn't fighting too great.
Look at that. Hold on, let me get a hold to him here.
God, he ate it way out there too. That wore me out.
Hold on, let's set him up here. We don't have to retie probably, because he's flopping everywhere. We'll dress that dude.
Holy cow.
Come on, Aiden.
Look at that thing, y'all. We're out there.
I mean, Aiden's literally catching them almost every cast. I'm gonna be videoing right here, and he won't catch one. I let the darn catfish get out of my hands, and he's gone.
You pulled an Emmy.
Yeah, I pulled an Emmy. Nothing? I want to catch one more. And the good Lord's been good to us.
Oh my God.
You don't think you're running it by like a stick or something right there? Lord's been so good to us this afternoon. Golly. I mean, we've been wearing them out. All right, so we trying to catch just one more. You know, it's kind of like when you, on any fishing trip, it's just one more. Huh? As a stick. It's always like one more, so I'm gonna be.
One more, three.
Now that might get him there. If I don't get him, we're gonna be done.
Oh, we got him.
This is about the time they quit on us yesterday.
Dude, are you gonna follow it all the way to the bank or you gonna eat it?
There he is. Was he bumping on it?
The hole from the tree.
From the whole way? That's so awesome, man. That's so great. Let's get him and get him on the stringer. On the stringer. Yeah, that's a chunk. That's a chunk. That's a good one to say bye-bye on. Hey. That's about as fun as it gets, ain't it?
Oh yeah.
Huh?
Dad caught him early. I caught him late.
Aiden whacked them late. So anyway, we're gonna get this dude on the stringer. We're gonna go play some fish. God bless.
Jesus saves. We out.
See y'all. Torpedo pose.